Hey Caitlin, it was great chatting today, and I'm excited to hopefully help you guys find something for these courses. So, this is our Create site, and I'm just logged in under my account, but you will log in with your Connect username and password as you would with Connect. And it's actually nice if you have Connect open, if you just pop over and open a new window and type in this website that I'll send to you, it'll actually just log in for you. But you'll come across this page, and find content will be the first item that you'll be working with. Just note, you can search by title, author, ISBN, keyword. I'm going to search all content, or if you want to dive right into just cases and articles, you can look at all the collections we have. And if you know of a certain collection you want to jump into, you can do that. Or go back to find content and just type in critical cultural, and then you'll see it's pulling up by different courses, and you can jump into any of these. I'll just go into one, and from here you just want to click. So see, it's saying 60 cases, so we would just click cases and remove text, and boom, here are all your cases. If you do want to look for any textbooks with specific critical cultural, you can just jump right in and click on books, and you'll see 690, and then you can jump in and see exactly where that's located. So feel free to take a peruse around here, and if you have any questions, just shoot me an email and we can jump on a call. Thank you.